rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I got one. Thank you.
Hold on, man.
What's going on?
What you running in here?
So I got 415 Wolfram AUV2s, and then on two 9Ks at 0.5 per in the fourth order.
You got plenty here.
I aspire to be as windy as they, sir. I just want to one.
That thing nice, man.
Let me give you another one. Okay. Ain't no way.
Ain't no way in there.
Ain't no way.
Bro, wait all along then.
God damn, my fault, bro.
That thing don't want to get.
It ain't going.
It ain't gonna go.
That's the search.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, bro.
I was all good.
I'ma glue that motherfucker
You know,
in.
it's time for the radio box now. Yeah. Let them know they can find you on social media. You on Facebook anywhere?
That Quiet Honda on TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
I sure appreciate it, bro. I look forward to the next one, brother.
Hell yeah. Open from that side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What kind of speakers are these right here?
So them are the Sky and a Half new 2.5, so the mid-range. I don't have a single tweeter in the phone.
Everything loud, man.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it, brother. How you doing? Huh? You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.